Hi guys, short video here about the question if we can really wash such a grounding pillow, if it still works after a couple of washing cycles. We have been washing this grounding cover here since we started using at least 4 or 5 times, maybe even more, and you can see the change. There are no silver wires to see anymore. When I got this new pillow sheet with these silver wires, I could see them. Now I can't see them anymore. Does it mean that they have been removed in the washing machine? Maybe they are not here anymore. I mean, I can't see them here. There are some fine lines, but doesn't look like silver anymore. And here we have this test device and it doesn't show green. So does it mean that it doesn't work anymore? So let me move here a little bit this test, and now we can see, yeah, okay, we definitely have some grounding contact here. I mean, you can see here that's connected to the outlet, and you can also see the tester is connected to the outlet. I mean, another outlet, exactly how we are usually testing that. And so it looks like it's definitely still working. I think the problem here is just, as we all know, that silver is a little bit discoloring over time from oxidation. But it looks also that we don't have to be worried too much that there is no contact anymore despite the discoloration. So looks like it's definitely still working, or at least doing what it's supposed to do. I mean, of course, I'm not talking here about health benefits. That's not possible these days. We are in 2024, unfortunately. But yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.